Welcome back to my channel. Before we continue, I'd like to thank all our returning subscribers and welcome all our new visitors or subscribers to the channel. It's a Saturday evening, actually Saturday night. I got a visitor. But before I tell you about this interesting visitor, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to do so. But before I tell you about this interesting visitor, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to do so. I'll get right on it. We've spent the better part of the afternoon just getting to know each other. I'm meeting her also for the very first time, so there's been a lot of good vibe going on. And I do not want to preempt whatever little or much it is that we've discussed. I'll just throw the ball right in the court by letting her introduce herself to all of us. So without further ado, take it away.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me in your channel. I'm grateful to be here for the first time. Hi.
Hi you.
Hi you.
Yeah.
Hope you're doing good. People from her channel. I'm good also. I go by the name Melly Tee. I'm a student. I come from her hometown area.
Yeah, thanks for coming by. Thanks for visiting.
Thank you.
I think when we were talking about where are we going to meet and blah blah blah, so I was like, well, I think home is still my comfort zone. She's an aspiring YouTuber and we're just going to have a very short chit chat to introduce her to you guys. So tell me, Melly, about campus life. You said you're in campus, right?
Yeah,
I'd like to know how campus life is, especially now with whatever that's been happening around COVID and stuff like that.
Yeah, campus life is literally it's interesting.
Yeah.
Even if there is COVID, yeah, you get like we were not much affected with the COVID thing because we do most of our things online. Like this semester, we recently opened school like two weeks ago. Much have been going on. Yeah, imagine it's the second week. You have to get your mindset for the semester. That's the first thing. The second thing, like you have to register for your courses, for your units, the one that you're going to take for the semester. So it has been a bit hectic. Yeah. And the worst thing about this second week of the semester, it's like it's when we are receiving our results for the last semester. Imagine how that's stressful it is.
Have the results been issued yet, or you're waiting for them to be issued this coming week?
They're already out.
Okay. I hope you did well.
Yeah, I hope so for me because I think I did well.
Yeah.
So okay, there is these cases that we usually get when the results are out. You get that you have incomplete, like your cut marks didn't get into the portal.
Yeah.
So you have to look for them.
Uh-huh.
That's the hectic part of it. Like if you don't follow up the thing, like you'll get that you missed the marks and you won't graduate without that marks. Another hectic thing is about the timetable. In our school, we have issues about the timetable. When the first timetable is out, you get that it has a lot of mistakes.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you know, you see, like it's a human being that makes these things. So in the process of making that timetable, you get it has a lot of mistakes. So as a student, for the second timetable to get out, it's the duty of the student to usually follow up the colliding units. Yeah, you see the colliding units and forward them to the office. So the class reps has to follow up for that thing, for them to be corrected and forward the thing. I've been a class rep once, and I know how hectic that is.
Yeah.
You have to follow. You have to go from office to office, rectifying the issues. Yeah, that has really been hard on me. Like the last week, that's what I've been doing. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So what year are you?
I just started my second year in campus.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm supposed to ask what you're studying, but then if you don't, if it's something that's
Maybe you know that.
Yeah.
Time goes by.
okay. So she said we'll get to know what she's going to be studying as time goes by. Hopefully this is some of the information she's going to be issuing or releasing or sharing on her channel whenever you feel like you're ready for it. Tell me about your family. What number are you in the family? I count siblings.
My family, I come from a very large family. I don't want to deny them on camera, but I'm not going to say the number. But I'm the last born in my family.
Oh, okay. I always run into last borns for some reason. Rarely do I meet people that I get to engage with that are first or middle children. Yeah, but yeah, it's a good thing.
You're the first born in your family?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Brother, it was your birthday the other day. Don't come here saying you're the elder one. You know, for some reason, because my bro is taller than me, there's always this assumption that he's the first. Yeah. Hey, correction, I'm the one. What are your hobbies?
I like swimming. Like, I love the water environment. I love that shit. I love swimming. Then biking. Another thing that most people don't, but it's like a passion, or rather I can call it as a hobby, but I love traveling. I love adventuring places.
Yeah. Travel is fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
I think in future I'll travel. I'll travel the world.
I think when you travel, something happens to you.
Yeah.
Not something bad. Like you get a shift, a change of the way you see things.
Yeah.
Eventually you just become a different person. You just see things differently.
Different from what you're used to seeing.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Travel is bae, always, any day. Now that you talked about travel being something that you enjoy to do, what would be your dream, or what's your ideal destination?
My ideal destination, where I've been wishing to be from the whole of my life. I think when I was a kid, I've always been wanting to be in Maldives. I like the environment over there. As I said, I like the water environment. So like over there are quite a number of islands. So like I could love to be there and at least see the environment.
Yeah. She's an ocean girl. She's a water sand girl. So yeah, Maldives is a good destination. I believe also Seychelles.
Yeah,
it's one of those.
Seychelles.
Yeah, awesome. I'm an ocean girl too. I also do love nature so much, so I like the countryside kind of environments. So for me, one of the destinations I've always been dreaming about visiting is Iceland. Very cold there, and but the views are spectacular. I'm told it's cold around the year, so it's something I'd like to witness. So thank you so much for taking time.
I'm welcoming you all from her channel. Please come over, subscribe to my channel. When you get there, I swear you won't be disappointed. Like over there, you'll get content that is based on. Okay, I like cooking, so I'll be sharing. So we'll be learning to cook as we learn together. Yeah. We also do the street walks. I find people love the street foods. Yeah, we'll test the street foods together.
Yeah. That would be new and very unique.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the times we visit certain towns and then you don't get to fully explore what they have on the streets. Yeah.
So I'll be featuring the streets as I walk by. Yeah. I'll also do stories about myself. Any other idea that you guys could wish to say from me. I'm also a flexible girl, so at times I can dance.
You're free flowing. You can do whatever, whenever.
I can do whatever, whenever.
I look forward to seeing your recipes, particularly, and the street thing, the street food thing. Because I know I'm in my hometown, but then probably there might be that one kind of food or something that I have not tried yet. So that will be interesting to watch. So guys, thank you for watching. We thank you so much.
Welcome to my channel. The name will be Melly Tee. Obviously when it's up, she'll be sharing the links down below.
How do you best welcome someone who's just about to start something awesome? So I'll let her close her love is queen.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving the chance to close for you people. Again, so before we close, make sure if you're watching this and you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe but button. Yeah, she'll be sharing my link. Come over,
Come
I
over.
could wish to have all of you in my channel at the
Yeah.
first time, because we are going to have our first video up soon. Yes, yeah. Till next time. Bye bye. Cheers. Cheers.
I gave you my heart.